I've been working from home for 6 years now, and a proper desk and chair makes a whole world of difference. The E7 Pro standing desk allows me to adjust my work platform, whether I'm sitting or if I want to stand. I can adjust my work platform from 25 inches off the ground to 51.5 inches smoothly with a simple touch of a button. Using a standing desk like the E7 Pro really helps your workday. It gives you more energy, improves back and neck pain, increases energy. It can really put you in a better mood and allows you to stretch your legs. The E7 Pro desk is very stable and has incredible weight capacity. The E7 Pro desk has widths from 47.2 inches to 80 and depths from 24 inches to 35 inches to fit a few different monitors, as you can see, and allows for functional workspace without being so crowded. The C7 Max chair allows me to get the proper seat height, lumbar support, adjust the armrests, optional headrests, and it gives me long-term sitting comfort. The lumbar support adjusts well to fit the curve of your spine. There's an optional footrest and removable high back headrest. The high-density foam is so comfy and the mesh back is cooling. Sitting for long meetings has never been more comfortable, and the older I get, I really appreciate those ergonomic benefits. To get your E7 Pro desk, visit FlexiSpot.com and use code YTE730 to get $30 off the E7 Pro desk, or to get your C7 Max chair, visit FlexiSpot.com and use code C730 to get $30 off the C7 chair.